Okay, I want you to think about a skill you use pretty much every single day, maybe without even realizing it. So, today, we're going to talk about something called digital literacy and why it might just be one of the most important things you can get good at right now. So, let's just start with a quick question for you. How often do you find yourself using a phone, a tablet, or a computer? Yeah, if you're like most of us, the answer is probably all the time. For school, for fun, to chat with friends, technology is just everywhere. And that's exactly why we need to talk about this. So, what even is digital literacy? Well, the easiest way to think about it is like this: it's basically learning how to read and write, but for our modern digital world, for all the apps, websites, and games we use. To get a little more specific, digital literacy is all about having the skills to use your devices and the internet in a way that's smart, safe, and responsible. It sounds like a big idea, I know, but don't worry, we're going to break it all down. Now, here's what's really important to get. Digital literacy goes way, way deeper than just knowing how to tap and swipe. It's not about being the fastest texter or knowing how to download an app. It's about knowing how to use all this technology wisely. Look at this. This really shows the difference. On one side, you've got basic stuff like tapping and swiping, sending a text, watching a video. Pretty much anyone can do that, right? But digital literacy, that's the next level. It's about asking yourself, hey, is this information I'm seeing actually true? It's about knowing how to protect your passwords and, just being a good person and communicating respectfully online. So, why is this such a huge deal all of a sudden? Well, because in the world we live in today, being digitally literate is just as fundamental, just as important as knowing how to read a book or solve a math problem. Seriously, it's a skill you absolutely need to navigate life. And think about it, you're already using it everywhere. In school, you need it for your homework, for research, for working on projects with classmates. In your everyday life, you use it to connect with your friends, maybe to buy stuff or to play games. And for your future, oh yeah, it's critical. From applying for jobs to learning new things your entire life. So let's get practical. Let's talk about building what we can call your digital toolkit. These are the key skills you're going to need to do well and, just as important, stay safe out there in the digital world. First up, and this one is a biggie, is critical thinking. You know how the internet has like a bazillion different pieces of information? Well, a lot of it isn't true, not even close. So a huge part of digital literacy is learning how to be a bit of a detective, how to spot fake news and figure out what sources you can actually trust. Next in the toolkit, privacy and security. This is all about keeping your personal information, well, personal. It means doing things like creating strong passwords, being really careful about what you share, and learning how to spot those tricky online scams that try to get your info. Digital literacy isn't just about computers and code either. It's about people. It's about knowing how to communicate clearly and respectfully, whether you're sending an email, posting in a group chat, or commenting on social media. And that leads us to online responsibility. This one is huge. It's so important to remember that everything you do online can have real-world consequences. Being digitally literate means you just pause. You think for a second before you post, before you share, and before you click. Okay, so you've got this awesome digital toolkit. How do you make sure your skills stay sharp? Because here's the thing, technology is always, always changing, which means we have to keep on learning. It's actually pretty straightforward. There are 3 simple steps. First, practice. Just like any other skill, the more you thoughtfully use technology, the better you'll get. Second, stay informed. Kind of keep an eye out for new apps and what's changing in tech. And third, and this one is so important, ask for help. If you ever get stuck or feel unsure about something online, just talk to a teacher or another adult you trust. And that really brings us to the final, most crucial idea. The digital world is always changing. This is not a skill you learn one time and then you're done. It's something you're going to keep learning and adapting to for the rest of your life. When it comes down to it, being digitally literate means you're in control. It gives you the power to protect yourself, to find good information, and to use technology to do amazing things. So the only real question left is, what will you learn next to stay smart and safe online?